Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn on the watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the ZEB logo on the screen. And to wake up the screen on it, simply press the side button. Once you turn on the watch, you should see the current watch face. Of course, it's gonna be the same if you wake up the screen on it. And now we can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called factory reset and select it. Now, let's tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.